We all know what non-fungible tokens are and what a great future holds for them. But have you ever thought about where and how it comes from? Who is actually behind these three words? In this video, we are going to talk about the history of NFT, the past that will leave you speechless. Let's begin. In 2012, the idea of NFT was already brought up before Ethereum existed, and it is impossible to tell the history of NFTs without mentioning the color-coded concept, a set of methods for representing and managing real-world assets on the Bitcoin blockchain to prove their ownership, same as regular Bitcoins, but in addition to token elements, determining their use, making them separate and one of its kind. From here, the invention of NFTs started. In 2014, Kevin McCoy, a digital artist, made Quantum, a pixelated octagon that hypnotically changes color and pulsates in a manner similar to an octopus, also known as the first NFT that lived in the Namecoin blockchain. Following several experiments and development that happened in the Bitcoin blockchain, the Ethereum blockchain also brought NFT into its reign, and Bitcoin 2.0 established that gained ground as a platform enabling digital assets creation. Although, the Bitcoin blockchain didn't design to database the tokens for representing the ownership of digital assets. As a result, a big shift for NFTs to the Ethereum blockchain began. From 2017 till now, Ethereum became the home of NFTs, and the two software developers, Watkinson and Matt Hall, started generating NFTs in the Ethereum blockchain in the name of cryptopunks, then started giving them away for free. During this time, Axion Zen didn't miss the chance and introduced CryptoKitties game-based NFTs, enabling players to adopt, breed, trade virtual cats, and store them in a crypto wallet. It didn't take long for them to become so popular in the Ethereum blockchain, and people worldwide started generating profit from it. After such a big success, in 2021, NFT gaming caught a lot of attention in public. The crypto industry was shacking up by the dazzling artwork and groundbreaking partnerships with celebrities. During this year, NFTs became a huge boom in demand and supply, and even the biggest factor, including art companies, started purchasing and launching their own NFT collections. One of the examples is the record-breaking NFT Beeple's Every Day. The first 5,000 days sold for $69 million. We are surely witnessing a peak market growth for NFTs across all sectors, and Warwolf's army will serve as the first line of defense against any invaders because they can deter aggression to effectively execute a full range of operations for a decisive win in each combat that will be played in the metaverse. We have a journey from backstreets to the corridors of power, and only warriors will be the winner.